हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू चैनल स्टेनो वाले सर। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट। स्टार्ट। आई डू नॉट नो वट एग्जैक्टली इज द रीजन बट द फैक्ट रिमेन्स दैट द पब्लिक इज inconvinced and the services are not as efficient as they should have been stopped. I would therefore request the Honorable Minister to examine this question of reorganization as well as the question of satisfying the legitimate demands of the employees more sympathetically, not only because it is just and desirable and the administration should be properly reorganized, but it is also desirable that the employees should be fully satisfied and their legitimate demands should be adequately met, and also became of the fact that this particular department has a direct contact, almost day to day contact with the public, and therefore if this particular department does not function properly, efficiently, and to the satisfaction of the public at large, it would mean that the public would be inconvenienced also stop. This being the additional reason, I would request the Honorable Minister to see if it is possible to reinstate all the employees who are still not reinstated, and to see that the entire effect of the central government employees strike is erased, so that the workers may be in a position to work more enthusiastically and with greater satisfaction to provide these services, which are so very important from the point of view of the convenience of the public. Not only that, but also important from the point of view of the rapid economic development in our country, which is the primary objective before us stop. It is well known that the post and telegraph services play a very important role in the economic development of a country. Stop. If the post and telegraph services are efficient, to that extent economic development becomes easier. Stop. If they are not efficient, it becomes difficult for the people to carry on their day to day activity and to maintain their contacts. Stop. In view of all these various considerations, and especially in view of the fact that with this bill the Honorable Minister is seeking to enlarge some of the functions of the ministry, I would request him to take these various points into consideration and see what he could do in the matter. Stop. Para. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, I wish to lend my support to this bill. Stop. The bill is a very simple and there is no need for any controversy or exchange of hot words regarding the matter stop.